Chakravarti. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. So in this video, we just discussing about organic ABS reaction part 1. So these organic ABS reactions are very important in the exam point of view. So this is the first organic ABS reaction. So just watch how can you how can you solve this problem. So this is the beginning compound. So when these compound react with alcoholic KOH, so in that time we just lost the water molecule, then we get the product like this, or we call as potassium succinamide. So this is the product when it is react with alcoholic KOH. After that, these product react with benzyl bromide. These product react with benzyl bromide. In that time, potassium and bromine is passing away in the form of potassium bromide. In that time, we get the product like so. This is the product A. After these product react with alcoholic KOH. After this, it is react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. In that time, it can form the benzylamine. So here when observe that, so the bond broken here like this and like this. Here OK can be attached for this carbon, and for this carbon also OK will be attached, and two hydrogens can be attached to the nitrogen. So this side OK and this side hydrogen, and this side hydrogen. So after that we get the final product PH CH2NH2. This is the main product. By this main product we just got the another byproduct, that is C double bond O. Okay, C double bond O. So this is the main product and this is the byproduct. So like this we need to solve the ABC reaction. Okay, this is a next ABC reaction. So for this reaction we just start the reaction with this compound, that is paramethyl aniline. So when this compound react with NaNO2 plus HCl, we call as diazonation. So this is diazonation mixture. So when this compound undergoes diazonation mixture, the aniline group can be converted to the benzene diazenyl chloride. So it can form the paramethyl benzene diazenyl chloride. So this is product A. After that it is react with copper cyanide in presence of potassium cyanide. It can form the paramethyl cyanobenzene and along form the nitrogen as a byproduct. So this is product A and this is a product B in the ABC reaction. Okay, this is next ABC reaction. Here benzylamine react with chloroform and KOH. It can form the product A. After that it is react with lithium aluminum hydride. It can form the product B. So benzylamine means we can write the benzylamine like, so this is benzylamine. So these benzylamine react with the chloroform in strong alkali. This is we call as carbylamine reaction. So in that time it can form the benzyl isocyanide. Okay, after that, so this is product A. After that, these product react with lithium aluminum hydride. So it can form a secondary amine. It can form secondary amine. So this is the second product. So this is the product A and this is the product B. Okay students, this is next ABC reaction. So when benzene diazenyl chloride undergoes hydrolysis in presence of H3PO2, it can form compound A. After that, it is undergoes reacts with the carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it can form the compound B. So we just start with the benzene diazinon chloride. So we can write the benzene diazinon chloride like this. So when these benzene diazinon chloride react with H3PO on water, it can form benzene. So this is a product A. So after that, these benzene undergoes Gattermann synthesis. These benzene react with the carbon monoxide and HCl mixer in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It can form benzaldehyde. It can form benzaldehyde. So this is a product B. This is next ABC reaction. So this ABC reaction started with nitrobenzene. It is undergoes reduction in presence of tin and HCl. It can form product A. After that, it is react with the benzenyl chloride. It can form the product B. So the nitrobenzene we can write like this. So this is a nitrobenzene. So this nitrobenzene undergoes reduction in presence of tin and hydrogen chloride. It can form aniline. So this is product A. After that, these aniline react with the benzenyl chloride. It can form product like this by the loss of hydrogen chloride. So this is the product B. Students, this is next ABC reaction. So here the reaction is started with phenol. So phenol means on benzene ring we have the OH group. So when this phenol react with sodium hydroxide, it can form sodium phenoxide by the loss of water molecule. After that, these sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide at 140 degrees. It can form the sodium salicylate. So this is product A. After that, it is undergoes acid hydrolysis. It can form salicylic acid. So this is product B. So this is about the ABC reaction. Students, this is the next ABC reaction. So we just start with the reaction with this compound. So CH3CH2 written as C2H5. So then it is so when it is react with 2 moles of 2 equivalents of methyl magnesium bromide. First I just take the 1 mole of methyl magnesium bromide. So this methyl magnesium bromide react with this compound. The methyl group is directly attached to this carbon and MgBr is attached to the oxygen. Then we get COMgBr, OCH3 and CH3. After that, by lossing of magnesium methoxybromide. So here magnesium methoxybromide can be lost. After lossing of magnesium methoxybromide, we get the product like this one. So when these compound react with another mole of methyl magnesium bromide, in that time again the C double bond can be broken. The methyl group attached to this carbon and magnesium bromide attached to the oxygen. Then we get so this is the product. After this thing undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. Here we just here the bond will be broken. Here hydrogen can be attached and here OH group can be attached. Then we get the product this by the lossing of magnesium hydroxybromide. After that, this product this is product A. So after that, this compound undergoes acid hydrolysis in presence of ethyl alcohol. It can form the compound So in the time we just lost the water molecule and get the product like this. This is the final product. So here from this carbon we just lost the OH group. From this carbon we just lost the hydrogen. So after losing of water molecule we get the final product like this. So this is the product P. Students, this is next ABS reaction. So in this reaction this product can be react with the selenium dioxide, it can form the product A. After this react with potassium hydroxide, it can form the product B. So first we take the reaction, given compound. So when it is react with the selenium dioxide, it can undergo the oxidation at this alpha carbon. These alpha carbon can be converted into the carbonyl group. We get the product like so this is product A. After that these product react with potassium hydroxide. In that time, so it can be undergoes intermolecular aldol condensation. Then it can form the in presence of these product react with potassium hydroxide, it can be undergoes condensation or it undergoes Kenesaar reaction. It can form the it can undergoes the intermolecular Kenesaar reaction. It can form the product like so. This is product B. Okay, students, this is the next reaction. So next ABS reaction. So when methanol react with the carbon monoxide in presence of ruthenium or cobalt under the pressure, it can be undergoes heating. It can form compound A. After that, it is react with hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus, undergoes strong heating. It can form the B. So we just start the reaction with methanol. So when methanol react with the carbon monoxide in presence of ruthenium or cobalt under high pressure and heating, it can form acetic acid or ethanoic acid. So this is product A. After this acetic acid react with the hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus on strong heating, it can form alkane. So this is a product of B. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.